guys, so today on Max's Garage I got this Husky saw, old school, huge bar, badass saw. Been sitting in some dude's property for the last year. The tank filled up with water. The gas in here is super gnarly. I already dumped it out. What I do if I got a saw that hasn't been started in a long time and has been neglected, first thing I'm going to do is clean out the gas. So yeah, literally the gas in this thing was yellow. Smelled like kerosene. Horrible. I'm just taking regular gas, pouring it in there a little bit, swirling it around and dumping it out. Just to help clean it out. Clean the gas up. Caps are removed right here. Boom. Got this old school air filter. I'm gonna clean that out. Got the carb right there and the plug. I'm gonna clean all those up. Stuff a spray down. Spark plug. Spark plug out. It's a Champion plug. Looks alright. I'll clean it up. Crank it over to try to push out that bad gas. Blow it out with some compressed air. Spark plugs back in. Some fresh 2-stroke, full choke. Just gonna spray a little bit of this in there. Good shit. Air filter cleaned up as best I could.